Hey guys, namaste, namaskara, vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel Tax Thalaiva this side. Guys, from the moment May 2025 examinations are done, I have been repeatedly asked one particular questions from CA students, be it foundation or intermediate. Sir, will I be getting grace marks in my examination or not? I think I'll miss my examination results just by 2-3 marks, sir. Please help me, sir. God's grace will be there or not. So I thought rather than responding to each and every student, I will make a common video so that it could serve everyone's purpose. I can sleep peacefully, students can also sleep peacefully, because last night I got a message from student, sir, I'm not getting sleep at all, sir. I think I'll fail in examination, that too just by 2-3 marks, sir. My whole hard work of 6 months will go in a waste. So I thought I'll just make this video so that everyone can be at peace. So first, sir, ICA does really it gives grace marks or not, that is the question. But before getting into that question, proof everything, I would like to tell you that scenarios, I would like to explain particular scenarios in which actually God's grace will be there. When I say God, it is ICA. So ICA actually gives grace marks. But there are two kind of scenarios in which ICA gives grace marks. Number one, it gives grace marks to everyone. So how much our students have appeared for examination, everyone will equally get grace marks. In a second scenario, particular students only will get the God's grace. So we will look into it in which scenario God gives grace to everyone. So the first thing is, boss, if there is a mistake in a particular question, let's say for example in examination students found that, okay boss, there is a mistake in this question. In that case the students can write to ICA examination board and they will recognize it and they will allocate grace marks for every student who appeared or attempted that question. If let's say for example you did not attempt the question, then you will not get it. That is why we request the students, every attempt we request students was appear for 100 marks. Give your best. In 3 hours, try to write as much as possible. So this is the benefit. If you by mistake write the mistake question, you will get grace marks. The second situation is very, very tough question came. It is totally out of the blue. No one can actually, no one or majority of the students are not able to write the correct answer to that question. In that case also, grace marks are allotted. In the recent May 2025 examinations, especially for CA intermediate tax and FM, it was very, very tough paper. And somewhere we can expect little bit of grace marks. When I say grace marks, it does not mean that they'll give you 10-20 marks. No, maybe some 2-3 marks they may allocate. The third thing is very lengthy paper has come. Let's say for example, the paper is, first of all, the question paper is very lengthy. Next thing is the questions asked also very lengthy answers they're expecting. In that case, 3 hours is not possible. If practically it is not possible to finish off the paper in just 3 hours, in that case also ICI generally gives grace marks. In the past also they have given. I will show you the proof. Be tuned in this video till the end. Then God's grace may be there only for particular students. So the God may shower his grace only on particular student. Sir, why sir this partiality? Why partiality? Let's have a look. Cleared all subjects except one subject. Means let's say for example you appeared for both the groups. Out of 6 papers, so 5 papers you are clearing, in the sense individual papers you have already cleared. Means you got plus 40 plus. But except one paper you could not get 40 marks. And second condition is attached to is aggregate you have achieved. So after clearing all the 5 papers, you are also achieving aggregate, but you are just missing your result. In one paper you are not able to get that cutoff mark of 40 marks, and that too you have to at least achieve 35 in that paper. Let's say for example in the 6th paper in which you are not able to clear, if your marks itself is 20, ICA cannot help you. You have to be somewhere around 35 to 40 in that range. In that case ICA can actually grace you by another 4-5 marks, so that you can come to the next stage of examination. Are you getting it? The second scenario is you cleared all subjects. Means individually all the papers you have cleared, but you lost the game in aggregate, that to maximum by 3 marks, boss. If you are losing the game of aggregate by more than 3 or 5 marks, then ICA also will not grace you. Are you getting it? So these are the actual scenarios, practical scenarios, which we have already seen in the past also. Many cases students have got grace marks. Now I will show you proof with the great persons who have actually claimed from the ICA side that yes boss, grace marks are actually given, so that you can also be at a pace. The first one I'm going to show you is legendary JK Shah sir. If you don't know who is JK Shah sir, you can just Google. He's a founder of JK Shah classes, very big institute. So you can see here JK Shah sir had posted on a LinkedIn where he says that he was an examiner for CA final FM examination in 2007, where he saw that when he evaluated the paper, he allocated some other marks. When the final examination final marks had come, he saw that the students had got 14 marks and 28 marks in excess. So that is why he told that boss, yes, grace marks is definitely possible, and he got it confirmed from the ICA also. Then he says what, he confirmed that ICI had given a 26 marks grace marks, boss. 26 marks grace. So it may be sometimes possible, because 13 marker, 13 marker questions are really mistaken. Totally wrong questions were framed. In that case, you can get it, boss. But grace marks is possible. This is a proof. Another proof I'll show you, one from the student side. Means student who cleared his examination, he himself claimed that on LinkedIn. You can see Pushwant Babu, who is the student, had claimed that yes, he got grace marks when he cleared his examination. But this is a very very interesting case, guys. See here, can ICA really add 10 grace marks for students to clear the exam? Here is the story, look at it. From 193 marks to 203 marks. So he had actually got 193 only, but he was blessed with the 203 marks, it seems. Let's see how. I cleared CA final group 1 in May 2022 with 203 marks, but when I reviewed my certified copies, I realized how grace marks played a role. So he cleared examination only because of grace marks. First one, FR he got 62 in CA final, no grace marks were added. SFM, FM paper 59 he actually scored, where he got 2 marks of grace, and total 61 he scored. Auditing, he got just 33. For that, he was given a 5 grace mark due to tough paper. I just now mentioned, if the paper is also very very tough, don't panic if you did not perform well. At least you have to ensure that you have appeared to the extent possible, you have attempted all the questions. So due to tough paper, that equals 38. And 38 was, see, these 5 marks he got by universal grace marks, means everyone got 5 marks grace. But after that also, beyond that also, I say added 2 more marks to meet aggregate of 40 marks. See how lucky he was on the result day. From everywhere luck is coming to him. So law 39.5 also rounded out to 40. Guys, these kind of situations are also there. Means luck has to be totally in your hands. Are you getting it? On that day, if you're fully lucky, like this, luck will come from everywhere. He is not clearing audit. 33 he got. First he got 5 marks. Everyone got 5 marks. From there he got 5 marks. Then another 2 marks ICA only gave him. Boss, you are not reaching 40. Wait, I'll give you that also. Then 39.5 law was rounded off to 40. Look at his result, boss. He's got almost 10 marks as a grace. So don't worry. If you think that you are missing when you evaluated, of course, lot of students does this after examination. They come back home, they open all the books and all, they'll check how many I got. They will only become become evaluators. So if you have evaluated already your performance and you think that you are just near the border, in that case, you need not actually worry. Grace marks are very much possible in CA examinations. You can definitely expect grace marks, but don't totally rely on grace marks. Aram say I will sit, I'll not prepare for examination. Let ICA clear me. No, that doesn't happen. You have to put your efforts. As I already told you, in this point, one particular point I'd like to totally stress upon is attempt the maximum questions possible, boss, because we may not know that the question which you attempted, the question itself is wrong, and you may get full marks as a grace marks. Yes, so that's all from my end. The final conclusion is yes, grace marks are very much possible. Okay, chalo. If you want more such content in 100% English language, I am a tax professor. I generally teach direct tax for CA inter and CA final students. So I have already uploaded marathon videos, revision videos, and a lot of things in this Tax Thalaiva channel. And one more thing I would like to say, boss. See, if you think you are going to clear your inter examination, CA inter examination, then you have to plan your next step of your CA journey, that is articleship. I have prepared a full-fledged video on how you can actually prepare for articleship and how you can get articleship in top 50 firms. I'm not saying normal firms, top 50 firms, how you can actually get articleship. I have already prepared a detailed video. I leave that video's link in this video's description. Do watch that. I have already attached a PDF with contacts, email IDs of all the HRs of these top 50 firms in that video's description. So you must watch that. You will get a better idea of how you can prepare for your interview preparations. In my further videos, I'll be sharing lot of such content, like how you can tackle group discussion rounds in your interviews, or partner round, senior manager round, these that lot of things will be shared. I myself had worked with Big Four in the past, so boss, I'll be sharing whatever knowledge and experience I have with you. Okay, so take care. Bye bye. Please do subscribe to this channel. Like this video. We will keep the like target to 50 likes in this video, guys. If you really liked this content, do hit the like button. Share with your friends who are in panic mode, thinking that they'll not get grace marks. They will definitely get if they have actually genuinely prepared very well and they are actually at the border. Are you getting it? So take care. Bye bye.